Welcome to AskPrep, your trusted companion for UPSC and IaaS preparation. Today we will study about a very important topic of technology, which is cloud computing, basics and benefits. Cloud computing has become a cornerstone of modern technology, transforming the way we store, access, and manage data. For IaaS and UPSC aspirants, understanding the basics of cloud computing and its benefits is essential, as it intersects with topics like science and technology, governance, and digital infrastructure development. Cloud computing refers to the delivery of computing services, including storage, processing, and software, over the internet, commonly referred to as the cloud. Instead of relying on local servers or personal computers, organizations and individuals can access resources and services through remote servers hosted on the internet. The key characteristics of cloud computing include scalability, on-demand availability, and cost efficiency. To understand cloud computing better, it is important to know about its three main service models: infrastructure as a service, IaaS, platform as a service, PaaS, and software as a service, SaaS. IaaS provides virtualized computing resources like servers and storage. Examples include Amazon Web Services, AWS, and Microsoft Azure. PaaS offers a platform for developers to build and deploy applications without worrying about the underlying infrastructure. Google App Engine and Heroku are prominent examples. SaaS delivers software applications over the internet, allowing users to access them through web browsers. Common examples include Google Workspace, Microsoft Office 365, and Dropbox. Cloud computing also comes in different deployment models. Public clouds are owned and operated by third-party providers and are accessible to multiple users. Private clouds are dedicated to a single organization and offer greater control and security. Hybrid clouds combine elements of both, providing flexibility and scalability while maintaining control over sensitive data. Cloud computing also enhances collaboration and accessibility. With data stored in the cloud, employees, students, and professionals can access information from anywhere with an internet connection. This has been particularly beneficial during the COVID-19 pandemic, enabling remote work and online education. For governments, cloud-based solutions facilitate better coordination among departments and improve the delivery of citizen services. Another major advantage is disaster recovery. Traditional IT systems are vulnerable to hardware failures, natural disasters, or cyber attacks. Cloud computing provides robust backup and recovery solutions, ensuring business continuity and data security. For example, cloud providers often have multiple data centers in different geographic locations, safeguarding data from localized disruptions. Cloud computing is also playing a significant role in sectors like healthcare, education, and agriculture. In healthcare, cloud-based systems enable the storage and sharing of electronic health records, improving patient care. Telemedicine platforms rely on cloud computing to connect doctors and patients in remote areas. In education, cloud-based learning management systems provide students with access to study materials, interactive content, and virtual classrooms. In agriculture, cloud platforms analyze data from sensors, satellites, and weather forecasts to provide farmers with actionable insights, enhancing productivity and sustainability. Another challenge is the digital divide. Access to cloud computing depends on reliable internet connectivity, which remains a challenge in rural and remote areas. Bridging this gap is essential to ensure that the benefits of cloud computing reach all sections of society. Initiatives like BharatNet aim to expand broadband connectivity across India, laying the groundwork for greater adoption of cloud-based services. Vendor lock-in is another potential issue. Organizations that rely heavily on a single cloud provider may face difficulties if they wish to switch providers or adopt a multi-cloud strategy. To mitigate this, open standards and interoperability need to be prioritized in cloud computing ecosystems. Environmental sustainability is also a topic of concern. Data centers that power cloud computing consume significant amounts of energy and generate heat. To address this, cloud providers are adopting renewable energy sources and innovative cooling technologies. For example, companies like Google and Microsoft are investing in carbon-neutral data centers to reduce their environmental footprint. From the perspective of governance and public administration, cloud computing offers several opportunities. By enabling data-driven decision-making, cloud platforms can help policymakers analyze trends, evaluate policies, and allocate resources more effectively. For instance, cloud-based analytics can track the performance of welfare schemes, identify gaps, and suggest improvements. This aligns with the broader goals of the Digital India initiative, which seeks to transform India into a digitally empowered society and knowledge economy. For aspirants preparing for the UPSC examination, cloud computing is a topic that spans multiple areas of the syllabus, including science and technology, governance, and ethics. Questions might focus on the benefits and challenges of cloud computing, its applications in governance, or its role in addressing issues like digital inclusion. For example, you might be asked to evaluate the potential of cloud computing in achieving sustainable development goals or to analyze the ethical implications of data privacy in a cloud-based world. In conclusion, cloud computing is not just a technological innovation, it is a transformative force reshaping how individuals, businesses, and governments operate. Its benefits, cost efficiency, scalability, collaboration, and disaster recovery, make it an indispensable tool in the digital age. However, addressing challenges like data security, accessibility, and environmental impact is essential to ensure its sustainable and inclusive growth. As future policymakers, understanding cloud computing and its implications will empower you to leverage this technology effectively for nation building. At AskPrep, our goal is to equip you with the knowledge and insights needed to excel in your UPSC journey and contribute meaningfully to the nation's progress. Keep learning, stay informed, and remember that technology, when used wisely, can be a powerful catalyst for change. Thank you. This is AskPrep, your guide to mastering UPSC and IaaS preparation. Let's decode complex topics and simplify your journey to success.